Baby, you're so sweet and funny.
That's what happened, though.
Oh my God, he's so funny. The phone is ringing. Take your call. Baby, take your call. I already know who's calling. Oh, baby, come on. I'm not going to get jealous. I know you already have a wife. Take the call.
Are you sure?
Yes, go on. Take the call.
Oh, you're such a sweet
Baby.
Hello, honey.
Finally, you pick up. Where are you?
I am at the office.
Why have you not been picking up?
I was in a meeting.
You expect me to believe that?
No, seriously, I was in a meeting.
Stop lying. Who is there with you?
No, there's nobody. There's nobody here with me.
Are you sure?
Nobody.
Who is that?
You say nobody. So I'm a
You're
nobody.
Woman.
I'm a nobody. What's wrong with you? I'm a nobody. Me.
What type of plane is
You just told me I could pick my call. It doesn't mean you should say nobody. Did I ask you to say nobody? So I'm now a nobody to you. After professing love to me, you are telling your wife that I'm a nobody. You're with nobody. Are you kidding me?
Oh my goodness.
Are you serious? Eh? I'm out of here. What am I even doing here with you?
What type of plane is this?
What am I doing here with a married man? Nonsense. Until you come here again, you are with a nobody. Get out of here. Nonsense.
Jesus.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye-bye.